Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's found right underneath this video. When you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. The reason being, it's called the notification bell, and YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So if you press that subscribe button and ring that bell, you will be in the know. All right. Also, while I have your attention, if you can just take a second, there's a thumbs up button that's found right underneath this video. If you press it, it turns blue and the number increases. That helps me a lot on the YouTube platform. YouTube then sends out my videos in front of other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they enjoy this type of content. So by doing that thumbs up for me, it means a lot. So I'm thanking you in advance. I truly do appreciate it. Okay, today I am like through the moon of excitement because in my mailbox today, this humongous, I've never seen a bag this big from Ipsy, and it had the new Ipsy Plus, which is crazy. We just filled out all this information on the 1st, and I think today is the 8th, if I'm not wrong. It's the Saturday. And on top of it, getting mail on Saturday as a Canadian girl, that doesn't happen. And I just cannot believe it. So it's really, really exciting. So it's this really cute drawstring bag. We'll go through everything. We'll go through what I picked, everything. Also, I'll tell you all that. Okay. I did add-ons, but I did them the day of, and then there were add-ons that were sold out on the day of with the day before, but I don't want to get ahead of myself. We'll go through everything. I have all my notes because I was prepared if the card doesn't have anything inside. So literally we just opened this up, placed everything out, and I haven't looked at anything. So I'm just as excited as you guys are to see what's in this bag, even though I know what I picked. But it's still products that I haven't used before, so I'm just really excited. Okay, so this is the August 2020. It is The Future Is Yours. It says, look forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow, from achieving your glowy skin goals to discovering what lights you up inside and out. The future is in your hands with a Glam Bag Plus that is even more personalized by you, and it looks epic. So once again, this is the hashtag Ipsy Future Future is Yours. That's what it says here. On the back of the card, they say now you've always got to have the dates the 1st of the month through the 3rd, but for the plus, but the 2nd is still going to be for when we do our choices for the Glam Bag and the Ultimate. So it's always a busy 3 days for me in reference to Ipsy. So what this is the plus bag. This is the middle of the road. This is the one that competes because it's all full size with the BoxyCharm base box. It's $25. Theirs is $25. You get 5 full sizes from BoxyCharm and you get 5 full sizes from Ipsy. But with Ipsy, they always put in a bag, and now it's a drawstring bag, and this is not included in the 5. And it feels like a really good material bag. I'm happy that it is something a little bit more different and unique, and supposedly the material is going to change on every bag. So this will be fun because these are great to travel with. It's good for, you know, your dirty clothes. It's good for keeping things separate. I just love these little drawstring bags, and I'm happy that that's in the bag. Okay, so once again, the card doesn't have anything, but I'm ready for this now, Ipsy. I know you, and this is what you've been doing lately. So let's go through this. But if you're not familiar with the Ipsy Plus, like I said, it's 5 full-size items. The difference now is that they choose 2, and then they give you a choice of 3 others to make up the 5. But they put it down in sections, and they give you usually a few choices within each one of those steps. So you get the choice 1, you have a selection, choice 2, you have a selection, and choice 3. I shared that with you when I did it for the first time. It was really nerve-wracking and exciting at the same time. But I was a little disappointed because from what I saw, there was supposed to be this eyeshadow palette that was, I forget the girl's name, but I'll do it when I do my add-ons. It was supposed to be in everybody's bag, or it should have been an option in everybody's bag, and it wasn't even in my bag or an option. So when I saw it in add-ons, I grabbed it because I didn't want to miss out on that palette. It looked beautiful, and also it was a person that used to work at Ipsy, and now she's huge on YouTube, and I went to check her out, and it's so interesting about her, but I'll share all that with you when we do that video. Okay, so this one here is just going to be about the Ipsy Plus, because I don't want this to go on too long, and I'm going to do all the add-ons separately because I did almost the same amount of add-ons that you would have in a bag. Okay, so the first item gets me every time. So when this was an option, I grabbed it. This is the Huda Beauty. This is so exciting. Okay, so this one, it says it is a Demi matte cream lipstick, and the color that I received is in the color called Feminist. I don't know if you guys can see this, but the packaging is so cute with her. She always does these lips. She has a thing in between. It had labels on both sides, so it was hard to pull out. So I took those off so I'd be able to show you. Usually I take the packaging off, but I didn't want to because I wanted you guys to see how cute this is. And then this here is the product on the inside, which I will remove so that we will be able to do a swatch. And then I'll read to you guys what it's all about. So this is what the product looks like here. And like I said, this is a Demi matte cream lipstick, liquid lipstick in the color called Feminist. They're saying it is proof that you don't need to sacrifice comfort for payoff when it comes to your lip color. This liquid lipstick is made from the makeup mogul Huda Beauty. She also has a YouTube channel, but she was one of the first to come out with her own product line, and it is over the moon. It is fantastic. Her packaging is always beautiful. Her products quality are through the moon. Her pricing is a little up there, but it's really fantastic that companies like Ipsy and stuff are starting to carry her line, so we can usually pick up products like this and add-ons and things. So you really have an opportunity to try her stuff. So this is the pinky nude shade that lasts on the lips from coffee to cocktails. Trust us, we tested it. Without getting patchy or feathering. Just because this creamy lipstick dries down to a matte, it doesn't mean it will be drying. The water-rich formula offers up an intense hydration so your lips never feel chapped or uncomfortable. It's infused with a hint of menthol to give your lips that temporary tingling effect, leaving them visibly plumper. And they're saying this is a full size, which everything in the bag is, and this is a $20 value in a $25 bag. That's why this is such a win. And about the brand, they're saying beauty influencer turned makeup maven, Huda Beauty, noticed a hole in the market for quality false lashes. So she created her brand to bring beauty lovers quality products from false lashes to lip products and complexion while helping her followers find true self-expression. So they're just simply saying how to use this. Apply just one layer of this liquid lipstick to the center of your lips, then rub your lips together to evenly disperse the color for a beautiful stained effect. Blot your lips with a tissue after application. That's how I do all my lipsticks, but sometimes with liquid lipsticks, they tell you not to put your lips together, so that's really interesting. And that's what the doe foot applicator looks like. Look at this packaging. It is beyond stunning. Her new bullets that she just came out with has this similar packaging. So this is her newer products. If it's based on the packaging alone, it is just stunning. And that's the color, and it is beyond perfect. So excited. That's the first out of 5. Okay, the next item that I have here is from Eyeko. This was also their pick for me, and this is what it is here. I enjoy the Eyeko products, and their mascara is really great, and the fact that it's in a tube makes it really unique, and I'm going to share all that with you. But let's see what they wrote here first. It says, this is called the Black Magic Mascara. It says, get all the drama of falsies, but none of the annoying hassles with this lengthening and volumizing mascara. A few swipes coat the lashes in a carbon black pigment for definition that will last for hours without smudging or smearing. Put down your lash curler. This one has a curved brush head. I love that. That hugs your lashes to give them major lift and curl. Not only does it give your lashes a ton of thickness, it conditions them with strengthening keratin and moisturizing shea butter too. Compared to your average hard plastic packaging, this soft squeeze tube allows you to get every last bit of product. This is a full size, and this is a $26 value. And this one says, the brand, it says, from beloved liners and shadows to award-winning mascaras and brow formulas, Eyeko has earned its status as the ultimate go-to for eye products. Plus, the brand has fashion icon and cat eye queen Alexa Chung's seal of approval. She's the brand's creative consultant. So they're saying, starting at the root of your lashes, pull the mascara wand towards the tip of your lashes in a wiggling motion. Apply more coats for extra drama. And that's what it looks like here. And let's see what the wand looks like. Yeah, it's got a little curve, which is fantastic. I find these curves really give that extra curl. It also helps me for some reason with lengthening, but I know this is supposed to help with that curl. So really, really excited to get that, because I never use those contraptions near my eye. I don't know why. A lot of girls use them, and I guess my lashes don't go down. They go enough up that I don't need to use that. All right, the next item we got is from Purlisse, another fantastic, fantastic brand. And Ipsy was the one that introduced me to this brand, and I am hooked. And it came in a full retail box. This is what the tube looks like. And this is their Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. And when I shared with you guys about this, so many of you wrote me back that this is one of your favorite products from them. So I'm so, so excited to have this to use it. It says, give your skin a tall drink of water before getting glam. This lightweight moisturizing works from all skin types, and it's summer makeup must-have. The oil-free consistency glides onto the skin, perfectly primes your face for foundation, and it will give you that dewy skin FTW. Green tea is naturally rich in antioxidants, which helps your skin ward off environmental damage, think dullness, sagging, inflammation, and can even help prevent premature aging. Sensitive skin, no problem. The moisturizer is enhanced with white tea, vitamin E, French marine plants that will help smooth, nourish, and protect your skin. And this is also, of course, full size. It's $45. And about the brand, they're saying this line of high-performance multitasking skincare was created by the former Power Ranger villainess Jennifer Yen, who channels her passion for time-tested Asian skincare rituals into results-driven products that are safe for sensitive skin. That's really interesting. Okay, they're simply saying how to use this. This moisturizer works fab alone for a skin perfecting finish, or under makeup, just smooth a dime-sized dollop to your clean skin. So, okay, it's got a safety seal. Let's see if I will get lucky. I always try to remove a little bit of this so that it's not so hard to pull off. I always have trouble with safety seals. Not always. I shouldn't say always. Okay, using my handy dandy tweezers, we were able to have success. Okay, it is a white cream. There is no real scent to this at all. That's what it looks like here. Okay, you need very, very little if you're going to be using this as a primer. That small dollop will not only do your face, it'll do your neck and your décolleté. That is beyond, beyond beautiful. Very, very nice. Oh, it does have a slight scent to it, but is just like a refreshing scent. Nothing like strong. Just really, really pretty. I wonder if that's like green tea scent, because that's really pretty. All right. The next item that I received, that I chose out of the choices, was from Huda Beauty. And the color that they chose for me was medium. And the color that I picked up once in a sample size to see if I liked the foundation, which is why I always recommend you guys going to that $3 section and choosing these little samples, because then when they come in the large sizes and they're an option that we could put it in our bags, I now know that I really like this foundation, and it was only because I tested it in the $3 section. This one is in light medium, so I will put a dollop of both so you guys can see what the colors look like in case you're interested in this in the future. But for this one, this is the full size. They chose for me the color medium. This is the Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. They're saying, we found it. The perfect multitasking liquid foundation for medium skin tones that improves the look of your skin instantly and over time too. This hyaluronic acid helps your skin retain moisture and your makeup from settling into fine lines for a plumping, dewy finish. Use it to brighten your skin tone, shrink your pores, and smooth fine lines thanks to this dose of niacinamide. Plant and fruit extracts gives your skin its daily dose of vitamins for healthier, glowier complexion. This medium to full coverage pigment hides everything from redness to dark spots without feeling heavy or cakey. And this is a $40 value. Remember, we're talking a $25 bag. So this is inspired Huda Beauty by skin nourishing ingredients found around the world. Their multitasking makeup protects pull your look together in a snap so you will feel confident and beautiful when you are on the go. They're recommending if you want to cover small spots or areas of redness, use the ultra precise doe foot applicator. There's a doe foot applicator in here to dab your product and blend for more coverage. Swipe the doe foot applicator all over your face or squeeze the product straight from the tube, then buff into your skin from the center of your face outwards. I love when there's doe foot applicators. All right, let's see what the size of this guy is. Oh, it's a big one. This is perfect. So this here, see, it has that angle. And from my one that I use in from the drugstore, the hard candy one, and that also has a doe foot. I got introduced to the doe foots, this large ones, because of Tarte, and I really, really enjoy it. So I'm gonna do it down here so we can see what the color looks like. It's beautiful. And I really, really enjoyed this. So I am so happy that I got a sample size and then I was able to pull the full size. So this is the color that is medium, which is the one that I did here. And then I'm going to take this guy here and you will see the differences between the two, just so that you guys can know if you're interested. So it's a lot lighter, and that is the medium. So this is light, medium, and medium, both in the exact same foundation. Wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, then the next item here that I got, which is our final item, was another choice, which I really didn't know what to choose. For some reason, they put a lot of mascaras in there. I love getting mascaras, but they already chose a mascara for me, so I didn't want to take like 2 mascaras. And I figured if I wanted another mascara, I would have put it in the $3 add-on. So I didn't want to use it up in the choices that I had. So what I chose was from this brand that is new, that is not new to me, is one that I love, and it's called Illamasqua. They also have a fantastic primer. There's a sticker, a UPC sticker that is blocking between the two. So let me see if I can peel this off. Oh God. See if I could just, oh, if I could twist it, it works better. Okay, so we were able to get that off. So this one is called the Loaded Lip Polish in Glaze. And this one says, this isn't your average lip gloss. This ultra shiny formula gives lips mirror-like shine in a single swipe. It has nourishing jojoba oils, conditioning your lips for supreme softness and 0 flakes. There's nothing gooey or sticky about this gloss. It is a comfortable formula. It feels silky smooth on the lips. This versatile formula could be worn alone for a quick hit of shine or layered over your favorite lip color for a bold look. And this is a $25 value. They're saying, just like us, Illamasqua champions self-expression. It was founded in Britain a decade ago and armed with a team of the industry's top makeup artists. Illamasqua is beloved for its high-quality, bold pigments and unexpected color choices. They're saying you can use this to use the built-in applicator to swipe this gloss across your lips for a fuller-looking lip. Concentrate this lip gloss on the center of your lips. So this, it was so funny. One of the girls, I said it's called Glaze, the color's Glaze, but they're not showing what color it is. And a couple of you, but one mainly, wrote to me right away and said, it's clear, like a glazed donut, it's clear. So I should have realized Glaze. Okay, that's what this looks like here. And I'll do it right underneath the, because it's just clear, it'll just be shiny. So I'm just gonna put it right underneath the Huda. And that's it there, right next to it. Really, really excited. So this is the Illamasqua in Glaze, and it is the Loaded Lip Polish. So really happy. I always like getting clear glosses, but this is, like I said, from a really expensive brand, and this is $25. All right, so once again, that's everything that I got in my new Ipsy My Choices, 3 of them for this bag. So just to recap, we got this fantastic Huda Beauty and the Eyeko mascara, which I think were their choices for me. Then I got to choose, and I chose the Wonder Beauty foundation, the Purlisse priming moisturizer, and a gloss from Illamasqua. All fantastic brands, all fantastic products. This is a fantastic way to start the month. I cannot believe that we chose this on the 1st and already we're getting a bag in the mail. Plus this one had my add-ons in it, as well as some point products, but I'm gonna do those as separate videos because I don't want my videos to go too long. All right, once again, everybody, I always appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is still really important to continue to stay safe and stay well. I'm excited for you guys to get yours. I can't wait to watch if you guys have channels and you're already following me and I'm following you back, that I get to see what you chose for yourself in your bags too. All right. Once again, everybody, stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.